Okay, we're into our first fish of day 2. This is our first drift over the reef. Coming up now. Tiny little sabiki, so I've got to be a bit careful. Here it is. It is a big old pouting. Good bait though. Oh, big pouting. Ooh. Better fish on this time. Just tipped some speakers. Ah, has it come off? Oh, I think he's just come off. I just tipped some sabikis. I think he come off again. Yeah, oh no, he might still be there, hang on. Right, on that little drop we had a cuckoo wrasse and a little poor cod. I'm going to use some of these for bait, so they're all being kept for bait. The cuckoo wrasse, unfortunately, because it's come up from 145 foot, has bloated, so we won't be able to put this one back, unfortunately. Yeah, a little female cuckoo wrasse. I could put that down as bait, but yeah, shame. But there you go. Well, Cornwall is making us work very, very hard today to get any fish. So we're into another small fish. Again, just dragged little baits off the bottom. It's the best way to do it at the minute. That's all we've been doing. Nothing exciting as of yet. Yesterday we've had poor cod, a mackerel, a scad, and a cuckoo wrasse. I'm winding this slowly just because if it is a cuckoo wrasse, I don't want to bloat him out. I might be able to avoid it by winding him slow. I'm devastated we didn't go sharking now because the wind's nothing, absolutely nothing. But it is what it is. Right, come on then, mister, show yourself. What are you? Oh, we're at the leader. Ah, red gurnard, another species. Another little species, beautiful little red gurnard. There you go, beautiful little thing. Full of spines, beautiful to eat when they're big, but obviously they're not very big, but beautiful red gurnards. This is turning into be a bit of a mixed species day, although I haven't as of yet caught anything which I haven't already caught this year, but still, little red gurnard. Get him back. Cheers, mate. If I get a grey one, that'd be good. Another fish on. Don't know what this is going to be. There's a lot of different species down there on this little bit of reefy ground. Oh, I did that little, no, the fish is still there. Just like to get a different species if I can, because then it'll be worth attending. Ooh, what we got? Scad, yeah. Thought so. Oh well. Definitely a full string of something here. Come on. At the leader. Yeah, a couple of scad. Very, very good bass baits, these live. They last longer than mackerel, but for now, these ones are coming home with me and going in for chum, because I need some for chumming for when we get back here. Yes! I lost one of these the other day and I was devastated. This has made a 7-hour drive worth it. A John Dory.
I disagree.
Oh. Wow. Oh, I'm absolutely ecstatic over that. Good. Look at that. Fantastic. Absolutely, I'm so happy. Taking on a little lure. If you will. There you go, I've just revived him. There he goes. See you later, bud. Get in! Get in! The feeling's back. Alright, so we have a fish on. The feathers, I've just come over some sands. I'm really trying to get some sand eels. Oh, he's fighting now, actually. Oh, I haven't seen him yet. Oh, he's fighting now. Probably not a lance unless it's a whole string. No, mackerel. I mean, not what we want, but good bait, I suppose, even though we haven't got that long left. But oh well, we keep trying. We'll keep trying. Okay, so we're sort of coming towards the end of the evening, but we're not. None of us are giving up. Harley is trolling the headland over there. Oh, that's a better bite. Yeah, Harley is trolling on headland, and I am come out a little bit further to some sand, and I'm just drifting 2 mackerel baits over the top behind me. I'm hoping we're not going to get too snagged up. It's only sand, I think, so it should be okay. Just to see if we can get some different species or just something. But they're both loaded up with mackerel. I'm just going to see what happens. But yeah, sea's beautiful now, and sun is setting. So yeah, we've got a couple of hours, I think. Let's try and get something decent. Just had a bite on the mackerel, the fresh mackerel on the flowing trace. It's just let go, so I've just put it back down there. Might be that elusive dogfish, but we'll see. It's a good sign. Well, we're just over some sand now, just opposite our launching spot, and I've had no bites yet. I'm just messing around really, just seeing if we can pick up something on the drift. Maybe a ray or something would be fantastic. If we could end another species, would be really good. It's been a funny old trip, to be honest. So first day we did try the blue shark fishing, but unfortunately weather got up really bad, disgustingly wet we got, and kind of ruined that day really. We just got a bait fish really. Today we should have gone out shark fishing, but weather forecast was all right, but it was meant to swing around for an easterly, which is wind against tide situation, and in the morning it really didn't look very good, so we decided to do some drift fishing and anchor fishing and instead, slightly nearer in, and of course it's been lovely flat calm most of the day. But sometimes that's how it goes. Me and Ali are absolutely going to come back here and smash up those blue sharks. We're just got to wait for a weather window now. I thought I might have had a bite there, nope. So yeah, just going to sit back, relax, and hopefully wait for one of these rods to bend over with a half decent fish on. There we go, a couple more herring. Fantastic, absolutely excellent. That's 2 species today. New species for the year. There you go. Hang on. Now, unfortunately, these actually turned out to be pilchards, so they weren't herring and they didn't actually count in the species hunt, but at least it upped the mood for the drive home. Okay, so our session has come to an end now. Me and Harley have decided we're going to go in and not be faffing around in the dark. So thank you for watching the episodes, really appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you enjoyed the video, if you've got this far, I'm sure you have. And have a great week. Thank you very much.